mga idol na mo tani karon sa may Crossroads diri sa may Abbey Road, kini siya kani Abbey Road. Luyo sa Gaisano, Grand Mall, Cordova. Og stay tuned lang sa to mga next clip, montage o mga nindot pa diha. Kaning naungan na diha, pero yung kita. Wah!
You are not invited.
Ang founder dyan sa Java High, kani siya na Starker franchise naman niya. Lesbian couple pod sila Sheena o Mimi. Nag-first sila og put up og store sa may Gabi, Cordova. That was December 8, 2018. Actually, not very like the name gikoanan ginahon na ang founder gyud, but I think ang na-approve for the papers is Java High. Kay it kind of sounds like if you say Java High, it will remind you of coffee, and then Java kay murag para nila maka-remind po nila of games and all. So far mo na ko nibawan. December 8, 2018. At that time, kay one branch pa, mao tong nasa Gabi, Cordova. And then, the business owners or katong founder gud kay daghan sila business sa city. So, di nila ma-focus. Ang hitabo is, nag-close sila by December 31, then nag-open na sila for franchise. Mao na nga store karon. So, for Cordova, isa ra ang Java High, which is located at Crossroads, Cordova, Cebu. Kani siya na branch. Ang main nga kalahian sa Java High from other coffee shops is aside from we also offer meals, rice meals, burgers, patties, and drinks. We have our PS4, our Netflix and chill. So mo na siya main attraction sa Java High. When you come to Java High, dili lang food imo arion. You can also come here to play PS4 games, and then you can also come here chill, Netflix and chill for free while you enjoy our delicious food. Ang best seller sa Java High for the burger is Java High Burger. So it has homemade recipe na siya nga kuan nga patty, pure beef patty, no extenders, no preservatives. We also have Java chip for our fraps. Mao na siya itong best seller. But aside from that, natay rice bowls, natay rice meals nga puribuyag ibalik-balik din sa itong mga customers. Plus our pasta is very affordable, 60 pesos lang din siya. Hi everyone, I'm inviting you all to visit Java High. I hope you will come here, enjoy our delicious meals that we will prepare for you from the bottom of our hearts, and of course, get to build memories with your friends, family. Pwede mo mag-Netflix, pwede mo matambay. We also have free Wi-Fi. I'm hoping to see you all one day.
Nice ang place din. Sasad kay barato rin yung mga pagkaon. Ay, lamisan. Ay, nalapot kaya?
Ha? Kalamis.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yeah, you got that yummy, yummy.
You get what you pay for. Yay, English. Bitaw mga guys, busog na jugay ko. So sa dili na pa ako makalimtan. Shoutout din sa kuan day. Sabi papel ako, dagdag papel ako. Shoutout din sa Morning the Night silang Alsher, Antoniel, Ella, JM, JC, Lorraine, Miko, and Pinky Web, kanang reporter sa ABS. Bitaw kanang shoutout po sa kuan day sa akong fraternity, Alpha Phi Epsilon. Yeah. So stay tuned lang sa next vlog na to. Asa ba magsamok-samok? Busog ng bagay ko. So see you sa aba ng iro. Bye!